Hi guys, this is Maha, your English language teacher and IELTS trainer. And today I am going to take a few minutes to introduce myself. And I'm going to show you a method where you can actually brainstorm on different types of questions on how you can introduce yourself to a group of people, to your students, to your friends, or people that you're meeting for the first time. All right. So before we begin, we always have to think of the question words, and the question words are who, what, where, why, and when. They're called the 5 W's. You can also think of a question how. So start thinking, who am I? That's your first question. So I am Maha, your English language teacher, correct? So, or my name is Maha. Question number 2 is, what's my name? Even though I've said my name in the first one, let's cancel that, all right? So who am I? I'm Maha. What's my name? Oh no, who am I? I'm an English language teacher and an IELTS trainer. What's my name? My name is Maha. What do? I teach English as a second language, and I also help students prepare for IELTS or their sub exams. Where am I from? I am from Pakistan. Next question is, where did I grow up? I grew up in Dubai, so I spent all my life in Dubai. And the question after that is, where do I live now? So now I live in Canada. And the way I would say it, hey guys, this is Maha, your English language teacher and IELTS trainer. I am from Pakistan originally, but I grew up in Dubai and now I live in Canada. So, very quickly, I've actually told you almost everything about myself, right? Now, if I have more time, I can speak a little bit more. My next question would be, when did I start teaching? So I started teaching when I was pretty young, and that was about 25 years ago. Okay, so how long, or I can also say to myself, how long have I been teaching? I have been teaching for 25 years. So it all depends on how your brain frames the question. Your next question that comes after that is, why do I teach? So, the reason why I teach or why I like teaching is because it gives me satisfaction. It makes me feel that I am spreading the knowledge that I have. And of course, now that I've said that, I would also like to request you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, English Show Canada. And this way I can actually reach out more people. I can spread my knowledge to more and more people. I don't charge for my services here, so I do it for free, and it just gives me ultimate satisfaction to know that students can actually benefit from me without paying for the session, right? So this is something that is very common now on YouTube, where you can watch videos and stuff. But what is special about my channel? The thing that is special about my channel is that I have free live conversation classes twice a week on the weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, where you can actually have a live conversation with me. I take you through to, different questions. We brainstorm and we build on the topic that I choose for that day. So guys, I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please do so right now. Do share this channel with your family and friends and bring on more people over here. And I would love to see you on one of my live sessions. Thank you so much. And please do practice on how you would introduce yourself to somebody. And I would love to receive a video of an introduction from your side on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/English Canada. Thanks for watching.